Welcome back, my wonderful people. They say that as the protest they go on for Port Harcourt, now those people carry and go Wike house, the minister of FCT. As he come reach Wike house, now those people say they no go agree. Asari Dokubo don't call chain, come outside. This man, your mumu never too much. Asari Dokubo don't tell the Nigerian youth say that anybody where they carry protest enter in the mosque or enter in say the cross in house again. He say that person go collect Woto-Woto. I wan play you the video make you hear wetin this man talk. No be small thing as you take dey happen for that area. Please, as you dey watch, make you make sure say you dey share am as e dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Remember say na here we dey bring you updates back to back. Share the video and follow all our social media handles. Let us watch this video and hear wetin Asari Dokubo tell Nigeria youth wey dey vex, wey dey protest. So watch the video.
I have no apology for them. Like I told them, if you come near me, if you carry a protest near me, you will receive Woto-Woto. You can be dancing and shouting men anywhere I dey. Me, I dey. If you carry and come near me, you will receive Woto-Woto. If you decide to inconvenience other people's life, you will receive Woto-Woto. And you do anyhow, you are going to see anyhow. These things are very clear. I've said it, and if you try it, you will see it. A lot of people had come out to say all sorts of things about me. This is me. There is nothing. Some people said my house was burnt. I don't know which of my house had been burnt. Is it my house in Abuja? My house in Obama? My house in Buguma, at Buguma? Which of my house had been burnt? Which of my houses had been burnt? Imam Beke, Tutula Zebolo Dog. Tutula Zebolo Dog is dealing with you in your place. Tutula Zebolo Dog. Today you accuse me of dealing with you. You take me to the UN. Tomorrow you come and say something. Something else. So you are inconsistent. We wanted to meet these people on the street. But so many elders in Rivers State said, no, there is no need to meet them on the street. We wanted to meet you on the street. Come to Igbo land. Oh, hey. You don't know me. Samuel Okorie, good morning. Come to Igbo land. Go ask their people. How then they receive Woto-Woto? So now they talk about come to Igbo land. Maybe you are living in space, so you don't know what is happening. I'm very sorry for you. You should know what is happening. So let us go back to the protest. When I said this protest will lead to anarchy, and there was no need for any protest, that what we do is to wait for 4 years. If Ahmed Bola Tinubu is not doing enough, we should wait for 4 years. After 4 years, we vote him out and vote a candidate of our choice. Instead of going about trying to cause destruction and loss of life. They went around and decided that oh, Asari Dokubo is this, is that. And today we are seeing it unfolding in Kano. We are seeing it unfolding at Jigawa. We are seeing it unfolding at Asari, in Bauchi, in Gombe, in Kaduna. And a lot of people who supported this ill-conceived protest this one is living in another world of day. I say anybody will come near me, I'm still saying they cannot even come near me. I think they go Wike house. Why they not come my house? Since they go to Wike's house, since they went to Wike's house, they should have come to my house. Since they went to Wike's house, me and them were on the same page. The enemy of your enemy is your friend. But if they don't want to be my friend, and they try to overstep their bound, they know what will happen. They know what will happen, and they know it. It's not about talking too much. But let's forget about that one. Let us go. And I see some people who supported this misconceived protest. People thought that they can control the consequences of their actions. They can really rail in other people with other motives. And this thing is manifesting itself in several parts of the north. Tinubu election, the election of 2023, was an election for the first time in the history of this country that another dog won election. A complete underdog won election. Is the government in Asari Rock was against him, his own party was against him, the northern elites were against him, and he won election against all odds. When he finished winning election, people who stand no chance of winning free and fair election, people like Peter Obi, started saying he won election. And the question we ask is, where did Peter Obi win election? He won with the vote of only the Southeast, because they rigged the election to make sure they disgrace Tinubu in Lagos, in Osun State. They disgraced him in Lagos and Osun State, which are supposed to be his states of origin. They did everything. All of us went through that gruesome period of recklessness where the Naira, we started buying the Naira.
My wonderful people, when I don't hear them, he said that anybody way near am, that person go collect Woto-Woto. I beg, I want you to share this video and make sure say they follow on our social media handles. So for this Asari Dokubo matter and the Nigeria government, Asari Dokubo one thread with that is one use the fight where Nigeria youth they fight, because he know the truth. Oh, Asari Dokubo know the truth that this government don't fair, which he don't come outside, come talk am. Because now they can't call am for back because of protest don't come. Asari Dokubo don't come outside again. Can't change the math. You see, this country with all these things where they see, these kind people where they see for this country, unless God take all of them come out, nothing wey would they do, nothing wey go happen wey go make this country go forward. You see, this kind people wey go come here, they go talk today, tomorrow go come back again, come talk another one for back. I'm not sure say the country go move with this kind of people. But however, una don hear am now, the Nigeria youth, abeg more na dey share the video so that other people go still dey know wetin dey go on.